Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be a short video. I finished the box, Steampunk Box, off camera. So this is the top. I put a clock, and on the key there's 3 Swarovski crystals. There's chain all winding through the gears, and another little metal piece here, and it's a corner piece here, a kitty corner piece here. This is the front. Okay. Sorry for the glare. That's the clasp. I'm going to open it in a minute. There's one side. This is the back. That's the other side. And I put the feet on. So do the clasp. That's the inside. With a little note on it for my grandson. Anyhow, that's it. Yeah, put a little bit of money in there for him. Oh, just gonna close that. That's it. So I hope you like that. My steampunk wooden box. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And share. Oh, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the little bell beside it, and that way you get notifications whenever I upload a video. Anyhow, and share. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot, and see you another time. Ciao.